What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, your girl cooked some seafood, right? Y'all know, yeah, we bought it. Y'all know we tried some seafood the other day, right?
And it wasn't
what it was. Excuse how I look. Your girls had a rough day. But anyways, let me show y'all the food. Bad.
What's that?
That's the sauce, boy. Don't play. We can use this to put the shells in. So yeah, y'all see the steam. It smells so good. So before we get into this video, y'all know what to do. Tell them what to do, Dylan.
Yo, tell them what to do. Remember? Like.
Boy, you too busy trying to smash.
Like, comment, subscribe, and
turn your notification bell on so you be notified every time we post. Where's some more gloves?
Up there. Right
Um.
there. They can feel that.
See them. Anyways, y'all. So yeah, after the other day of trying that seafood, I was like, ain't no way, ain't no way, ain't no way. So we was gonna try another seafood place today, right?
Your crab legs, I didn't eat them. Oh,
my crab legs, what?
No.
Tell them don't be in here hating now. Look at that. My crab legs, what? Because the other day you couldn't even get them out. But if you don't want to give it to me. So yeah, y'all. So I was like, forget that. We're going to make something at home today. I got the butter sauce on the bottom, so, you know.
You get a sauce?
Yes, in the bottom you got to dip it. Because I poured it all in here instead of putting it in a bowl. Which was crazy. But now I can't get to it. Ooh, look at this, y'all.
What is that, fried pickle? I mean, not fried. It's a potato?
No, it's a fried pickle.
Oh.
Yeah. I use turkey sausages because I don't like the other sausages. But look at these crab legs, y'all.
No, you know you ain't eat my crab legs. Stop it.
I ain't even wet.
My crab legs.
But why is you so close to me? Damn. Damn. Excuse me.
Oh my gosh.
You brag too quick, boy. That cause you ain't give me one while ago. When he got it out, that's why his is messing up. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm moving on to something else because them crab legs take too long to come out. Anyways, y'all, so like I was saying, I use turkey sausages in mine because I don't like the other sausages.
Where's your stuff from?
I put that over there.
Oh,
I mean, you ain't gotta eat it now.
Good.
I think it's a sauce. Sauce a little spicy.
Back again.
Y'all was gonna do me some eggs, right? Your girl loves some eggs.
We back again.
But I've been packing orders, so I didn't really have time to put all this stuff together like talking about.
Hey, you go that time.
Huh?
I got it again.
Bring me one.
Throw some hot sauce.
Hot sauce.
No shit.
Get you some.
Alright.
I covered my mouth.
Okay.
Don't be rude. Telling y'all, don't be rude. Man down. I thought it was coming. How you eating hot sauce with this?
For sure.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it. Like my hands on.
I ain't gonna lie, this stuff good.
Way better than a lot of seafood. But probably that one. Oh no.
I need to start selling food, y'all. Look at this corn though. It's the corn for me. That should look hot. This shit is hot.
I'm gonna taste it.
He is using hot sauce with his food.
Not with all of it. Or just with shrimp.
Put it over here so they can see.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
I don't want to taste it. It's butter in here, Dylan.
Oh, yeah.
What's the next so they can see? Y'all, check out my website. It is queenbee.com. I got a few things on there. You might just like some. Go check your girl out. Go check your girl. I just give up on these.
How many plushies we get?
I know it's a few of them. You eat them big ones on it. I don't eat them big ones, y'all.
Can't get it out.
You're going to have to break it.
The big ones?
Yeah. Oh, look at them little ones.
These not so easy.
A little spicy, y'all.
It's a little.
That's still hot.
Yeah.
What's y'all's favorite part of the seafood?
Crab legs.
Yours crab legs? Mine's just shrimp, corn, and potatoes, to be honest.
What is this?
You don't want to use them, though.
I do.
Because them dirty.
Mushroom. All you gotta do is cut the shell. What is the shell?
I don't know. Some over there. Y'all, it's a whole pot left. I don't know what we're going to be eating tonight. Don't worry about it.
What is it?
Look under this stuff. He better come eat this shrimp. He probably some crab legs. I'm going to smash these shrimp. He ain't going to get no shrimp. Look at this. There's your another crab leg. Okay, y'all. Y'all think I'm going to get this one out good? Huh? I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do this one. I don't know.
Hey.
Wait, sit down.
Put my stuff
He ain't studying nothing for y'all.
Stuff.
Don't do that. Somebody ate his stuff. I ain't that greedy. Boy, I ain't eat your stuff for real. Is it hot too? Yeah, it's a little spicy to me. It got my nose running. Why you don't grab her a drink? I'm sucking the glove like it's my finger.
You been doing that the whole time?
No, I just did. You keep jerking and jumping like I'm coughing on you, act like I got COVID. I'm gonna suck this plastic down my throat.
That ain't gonna work.
You ain't get the scissors.
I know. I don't know what I got. Oh, I can pull a lot of line. For that.
Y'all, this stuff is a lot hot. But I promise it's so much better than the last time. That Lotus, whatever.
You dissed them too much.
I'm doing what?
You dissed them too much.
I ain't dissing. It just ain't good. You know it wasn't good. Slow down, buddy.
What?
You ain't eating no corn? Y'all, he weird. He ain't gonna eat nothing but the crab legs and the shrimp.
No sausage.
You ain't eat no sausage yet.
I know I didn't. Oh.
How it taste with the hot sauce?
It's good.
Huh?
It's good.
The shrimp?
There's some crab with it.
You can't get that out.
Another one wasted.
You better break that open.
I'm eating this. If you had scissors,
I got some up under here somewhere.
I would.
Hell, it seems like the leg, the freaking part you break. Ooh. Mm.
Hey.
I done got a piece of that stuff stuck in my tooth. Yeah, I promise you, this is why I don't deal with crab legs like this. Oh, there we go. Stay over there. Be hungry too. Huh? You want some more?
You doing me? No, I can get that.
You want these? But I can't open nothing right now. My hands is dirty. Here, let me see if I can open it for you. I thought, boy.
Whoa!
What?
Why my stuff keep doing this?
Mama.
What?
I don't
like that.
Just a minute. Just a minute, y'all. Okay, y'all.
I don't like that.
Where you dripping that sauce all over me? Here.
No, you ain't on my stuff.
Y'all, they did eat. They
3
did eat.
times. I need scissors.
Why you sitting up like that?
I need scissors. I ain't sitting up unless I get scissors.
Oh, well, yeah, I don't care. You sit down tonight. But yeah, y'all.
But how do I get this open?
You don't want it, but you want to sit here and act like you ain't ate yet. DJ, hear mama her drink.
I need scissors.
I don't know
I
what you
was
want me
like
to do.
6 crab legs. Not 6, like just 2 crab legs.
I got butter running down my leg from him, y'all.
Me? What the hell in my clothes?
Not in there. It's in the freezer.
Then I got the freezer too.
Give me some of yours.
Okay.
Y'all, I'm gonna have to come up out these gloves. This was his idea.
No, I don't know why you got gloves.
I don't know either, because I don't use gloves like time
Give me up
out.
there. Stop.
Give me mine. That shit got me sweating.
It just shook him.
Give me one.
No.
Give me one what?
No.
Ah, them shells.
Open mine.
Shut that freezer, boy. Alright, y'all. Your girl's about food.
Grab it.
You got food. You don't eat all that?
My mom want it.
What you want? The corn?
Yes.
Alright.
You do eat food.
Grab your bowl. Boy, sit down. They don't want to see you eat like that.
What's going on my crab legs, bro?
What, Mama, this?
Get your plate. Y'all, sit down so we can go out. We can end this video.
Mama, where? Oh.
He's so little,
Hey, my
y'all.
shrimp.
It's a whole thing of shrimp over there. You've been playing with them crab legs. I ain't my fault.
Yeah, like 30 shrimps.
Hey, Mama, boy.
Take it with the hot sauce.
Tell him, DJ, that ain't mama's
Mama, I
fault.
want that. I want that sauce.
All right, get down and go eat.
I want Mama door. Yeah.
Get down.
Oh, it's crab leg. Alright, bro.
All right, what?
Yeah, move it down.
What the hell? Okay, y'all, so let me tell y'all what I was doing. I was really messing with him. I wasn't really coughing like that, as y'all can tell from the title below. I was just trying to get his reaction. Boy!
So that's what you did.
That's what I was doing.
Oh, my dreamer.
Please.
Please. You didn't really get it.
I mean, you kept
I thought
moving.
you was coughing for all I did was move. I thought you was coughing for him.
You wasn't wondering why I was turning your way to cough?
Probably wrong.
Instead of turning this way where ain't nobody at? Okay, y'all.
Whoa! My please!
All the way. Boy, look.
Why would you try to grab my meat?
Why would you grab my hand with that dirty ass glove on?
Try to grab on my crab leg.
Try to grab your meat. Alright, y'all. Before we end this video, y'all know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button.
No.
No way.
I want to eat that video.
You don't want me to end the video? We ending the video because your mama's done. Let me show y'all how much we ate.
Mama, add
I ate.
That is what he's over there playing with. That's why I done ate all his damn shrimp. Because he's still over there playing with them damn crab legs. Anyways, y'all. Okay, eat them till you got. Make sure y'all get this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button.
Hold on.
Comment. Drop a comment. Make sure y'all tell us what's the best part of the seafood that y'all like.
This.
Mine is shrimp, corn, potato, here, everything. But them crab legs I ain't finna play with because they make me mad. His is clearly the crab legs.
What is it, the head?
Huh?
Just the head.
Is that the head? I think that's the body. Because it has all the legs coming out.
Oh.
Anyways, guys, we'll see you soon. Till next time. Bye.